first met her, I thought the feelings we shared were mutual. Thought the picture we were painting together was beautiful. But then I started hearing that she's cheating on me from my crew. Hold up, take a second, before you think I'm tripping on you, boo. I'm a player, I don't give a fuck, gotta keep it true. You're down for my love, but I only wanna be with you. I knew this lust wasn't forever, so try to see me through. Fuck us being together, gotta get rid of you. Remember when you told me you would have my back? I've had my homies say the same shit, and sometimes I got that, so I don't trust no bitch. That's why I say fuck that. You're crying over nothing, cause I ain't gonna take you back. I'm trying to tell you something, but you didn't wanna listen, so now it's time to make the cuts, and I gotta let you go. I already told you what's up, that means that you should know I ain't nothing but a thug. Baby, to me you're just a hoe, you're just a hoe. And you're thinking that I'ma take you back, but fuck that, cause I gotta let you go. You're just a hoe, you're just a hoe. And if you're thinking that I'ma take you back, fuck that, cause I gotta let you go.
Crooked bitches playing me for money, ain't it funny how they act cool when the time counts? Dollar amounts come to give them a little some, and then they bounce till they go again doing the same shit. You say you changed, but you're still the same bitch. I'm making money, I could give a fuck if you switch. We all players, you could holler at me tonight and holler at my homie later. Ain't no hater in my veins. I could give a fuck about a hoe, I'ma play the game in the rain or in the snow. You wanna come back once you realize I let you go. No more looking in each other's eyes, now you're confused wondering why a little thing like us had to die. You're a fool if you think that I'ma stick around and listen to your lies, that you mess with my mind, hell no. So you gotta understand, this is why I had to let you go, just let it go.
You're just a hoe, you're just a hoe. And you're thinking that I'ma take you back, but fuck that, cause I gotta let you go. You're just a hoe, you're just a hoe. And if you're thinking that I'ma take you back, fuck that, cause I gotta let you go.
My ex is jealous cause this new feet want me, so now she stops me telling me that she loves me. Girls are all in one, wanting all the same thing. It's like C says, get their age and fuck the name. Don't trust a bitch, cause they're all scandalous. Last night, I met up with a chick who sucked my dick after admitting to having a boyfriend. Said she gets bored of him in his northern looking for other men. So I said, you're gonna give me what I want, cause if not, I'll find another girl to fill your spot. I've got much better things to do with my time, so all you'll get is thanks and goodbye. Realize that I don't wanna be your man, I don't wanna be with you, I don't wanna feed you food, I don't need you, boo. With all them questions and all of them lies, I guess I think we say this is why.
You're just a hoe, you're just a hoe. And you're thinking that I'ma take you back, but fuck that, cause I gotta let you go. You're just a hoe, you're just a hoe. And if you're thinking that I'ma take you back, fuck that, cause I gotta let you go.